Good morning, students. Today we will see the lesson number 4, geometric construction, and under this lesson yesterday we had seen how to construct the similar triangles when the two triangles have the different measure. Today we will take the next one more question, that is question number 2, and the question is construct any triangle ABC. The question is construct any triangle ABC. So triangle ABC. Construct a triangle. Again, construct triangle A dash B C dash, A dash C B dash, that we have to construct, and such that we have to construct such that AB is to A dash B, AB is to A dash B is equals to 5:3. Okay, and triangle ABC is similar to triangle A dash B C dash, A dash B C dash. So we have to construct this triangle. So here in this inside, now if you read this question, you will notice that here triangle ABC and one more triangle is there, A dash C B dash, A dash so A dash B C dash. So here two triangles are there. One triangle is triangle ABC and one more triangle is there, A dash B C dash. If you see here, the B, it is the common vertex in between ABC, triangle ABC and triangle A dash B C dash. Yesterday we seen the example, we solved it, and inside this question, inside here ABC and PQR, there are two different triangles are there. There is no any common vertex in between ABC and PQR. So its steps of constructions are different, that we seen it yesterday, and here two different triangles we can see here. But in today's question inside, what? There is a one common vertex, okay, and which is that common vertex? That is B. So according to the information, first we will draw the rough figure for this question. So and one more thing is given here, that is AB is to A dash B. AB is to A dash B is equal to 5:3. 5:3. So if you see this, you will notice that from this information which triangle is bigger and which is the smaller one. So AB as to A dash B means AB upon A dash B, okay, is equals to how much given? 5:3. The meaning of it is that the AB's triangle, if AB's triangle is triangle ABC's side AB is 5, then A dash B is equal to 3. So which is the bigger triangle from this? So we are understanding that the ABC is the bigger triangle because AB 5 and A dash B is equals to 3. So, and one vertex is common, that is the B. Okay. So whenever you are drawing the rough figure, what any triangle we have to draw here, ABC. Suppose this is my ABC triangle is there. It is my rough figure. It's not necessary to take the exact measure for this figure. Okay. So this is my triangle ABC. Okay. Suppose this is triangle ABC. B is a common vertex, so it will come here, and that another triangle that is A dash B C dash. A dash B C dash. It may be inside this triangle. It may be inside this triangle as a ratio that is 3:5. So these points which B, A dash and A, B, here it is C dash and C, they are collinear, means they are on a one line. Yes, so which points are there which are collinear to each other? That is B, A dash A, B, C dash C. They are collinear. Okay, now from this information we will draw the figure. Okay, as we know that these two triangles are similar to each other. Which two triangles? Triangle A, B, C is similar to triangle A dash, B, C dash. Right? So their ratios of their corresponding sides are also equal. So AB upon A dash B equals to BC upon B dash B C dash equals to AC upon A dash C dash. They are equal, means its ratio is 5:3. 5:3. So, and from this what we are understanding, all the sides that ABC triangles, all the sides are greater than the A dash B C dash triangles. Okay. Now we will do the what? Construction. And from this what we are understanding that, so first of all we have to divide this BC into what? 5 equal parts, and from that third point we have to take as a, which is this point is a, we have to take as a C dash. Okay. Then this we have to after taking we have to draw the line parallel to AC, that is A dash C, then we will get our required construction. So for the construction I will draw here first of all any triangle ABC. So here it is any triangle ABC I will draw here. Okay. So here it is triangle ABC. Okay. So here it is my triangle A, B, and this is my C point. Okay. Now I have to draw which triangle? A dash, B, C dash. So for that we have to divide this BC into first of all 5 equal parts, and from that we have to take third point as a C dash. Okay, because A dash C dash is equals to 3. So for that I have to take any acute angle from B below the line. I am using pen here, but you are going to use pencil, because if I will use the pencil here it is looking faint. Now the next point is we have to divide this into 5 equal parts. To divide this into equal parts I have to take a sufficient distance in my compass, and I have to divide this into 5 equal parts. So first of all here it is from B, just take the mark here 1, then here 2, don't change the distance, 2, whenever you are doing the geometric construction you have to sharp your pencil very nicely, then only there will be not mistake. If the pencil is broad you will notice that there will be difference of 1 mm in the construction. So here it is my point B, so I will name it here B1, B2, I will give another names here because already we have B dash upside, otherwise let it be B2, B3, B4, and this is my B5. Okay, so I have divided this B T ray into 5 equal parts. Now what I have to do, I have to, as you know that the steps of construction, join the fifth B5 with the C. B5 we have to join with the C. Okay. Next, what we have to do, we have to draw the line which is passing from B3, okay, and joins the BC at part. So parallel lines constructions, I taught you how to do this. So first of all, take a proper distance in your sufficient distance in a compass, draw the arc, same without changing the distance, put your point on B3 because we have to draw the parallel line from B3. So this is the arc. Now take this distance in compass. From this arc I am taking in between the arc and lines, okay. This point I am not taking, B4 I am not taking, the arc's point I am taking. The distance between the two arc where they intersect, okay. This distance take in your compass, right. Now they taking same distance where the arc intersect the line, that from that point you have to draw the arc which intersect the first arc, right. Now I got one point here, this is a point, okay. So from that point and B3 I will draw the line which is parallel to the C and B5, okay, and passing from point B3, okay. So here it is my that point. Okay, now this is my point passing from B3 and it touches the BC at a point, okay. So this is my point C dash, okay. If you see here, these two lines are parallel to each other. Now I have to do the same steps of construction to draw. Now I got the BC, I have to find out the point A dash now. So for that I have to do the same steps of construction. Here it is, we have to draw the arc which touches the both arms of the sides of a triangle without changing the distance. Put your middle point of the compass on the C dash and draw the arc, okay. Now you have to take the distance in your compass in between this point to this point, okay, the arcs in between this. So take this distance, yes, and now put your middle point on this and draw the arc which intersect the first arc. And now join this C dash to AB and which is passing from this point, okay. Now here it is my point A dash, my point is A dash, okay. Now if you see here, this is my triangle ABC, okay, and this is triangle A dash B C dash, and the ratios of each side is equal to 5:3, okay. If you join it here, you will notice that, okay. So here 1 2 3, third part I have joined here, and then here this is the fifth part, and this is my triangle ABC, A dash B C dash, and it has a common vertex, that is the B. So in that way, if the triangle, okay, the two triangles are there whose measures are totally different, okay, names are totally different, that is ABC PQR, the two different triangles we have to construct. If you see here, ABC and PQR, these two are the different triangles. But when there is any one common vertex is there, at that time your construction should be like this, okay. So do the steps of construction and complete it, okay. Now we will see the one more question, okay, and inside that question, the question is that construct triangle A dash B C dash and triangle A B C, okay, and they are similar to each other, okay. They are triangle ABC similar to triangle ABC such that such that AB is to A dash B. AB is to A dash B. A dash B is equals to how much? That is 5:7. 5:7. So from this what you are understanding, that here two triangles are there. Triangle solution inside triangle A dash B C dash, and it is similar to triangle ABC, right? And the ratios of their sides is equal to how much? That is sides is equals to how much? Same, that is A dash B upon AB equals to AB is to A here given, so we will take this A dash here downside. AB upon AB, A dash B is equal to BC upon BC dash equals to AC upon A dash C dash is equals to how much it is there? 5:7. So from this what we are understanding, in this question inside, we solve this question, and in this question inside the triangle ABC is there, it is bigger because here 5:3 ratio is there, 5:3. But here in this question inside ABC is smaller and A dash B C dash is bigger triangle. So our construction rough figure will be like this. So first we will draw the rough figure. So here is my triangle, which is the bigger ABC triangle is there. Suppose the bigger triangle is A dash B C dash, A dash B C dash, and here the ABC, the AC is parallel to A dash C dash. This is my AC. Okay, so by using this rough figure I have to construct the figure which is shows the ratio. So first of all I have to draw the triangle. Now the steps of constructions are same only. So first of all we have to draw here, that is BC. So here it is my BC. Any measure, they are not given any kind of measures to us, so I am taking that is my measure. So here it is my BC. Okay, now this BC I have to what? Extend, because triangle is there. Which triangle? This triangle A dash B C dash is greater than the ABC, triangle ABC. So here I have extended this BC. Okay, now here I will draw the triangle ABC. And this will also I have to extend. So I have extended this side also and BC also. Both side you have to extend. Now what we have to do here? Same things. First of all we have to draw here the line, ray passing from which? B, below the triangle ABC. Now here which is a C, A dash C is equal to how much? 7 is there, and AC 5. So I have to divide this B, suppose T, BT in how many equal parts? That is 7 equal parts. So first of all this is, now we will divide this BT in 7 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 6th, and that is 7th one. Okay, so in first figure inside what? The triangle which is smaller, that we have to draw, that we had drawn, but here we have to draw the at first smaller triangle, and then we have to draw the next B5, B6 and B7. Then bigger triangle we have to draw. So first of all we have to see AC is equal to how much? 5 is there. So join AC5 from B. So B5 we have to join with the C. Okay, this B5 I will join with the C. Okay, now I have to draw the line parallel to B5C, which is passing from B7. Okay, so here the same steps of construction. Mark it here by taking same measure without changing. From B7 draw the arc, draw this arc. Okay, now take the distance of this point and this point in your compass, see here. Okay, and then we have to put this point here and draw this arc. And now draw the line which is passing from B7 and the point of intersection of both the arcs. And here it is the line which is passing from this, and it is parallel to this. These two lines are parallel to each other, and that point is the C dash. Right? Now what we have to do? We have to find the point A dash. So here take the metal point on this, right? From point C dash draw the arc, and now take this distance in your compass from this arc to this arc, and now from this point of arc draw this arc which is intersect the first arc, and draw the line parallel to this and passing from C dash and this point of intersection. So here it is that point, and I have got this point A dash. This is my A dash. Okay, so here I have got A dash, B, C dash, and in both the example inside B is the common point, but in first example inside we drawn the bigger triangle at first, and from that measure using the steps of construction we drawn the inside triangle which is inside the triangle ABC, and that is A dash, B, C dash. And here we drawn the small triangle at first, okay, and then we drawn the outer triangle, that is A dash, B, C dash. So in that way you have to construct the triangles when it's, so in that way you have to do the construction, follow the steps and construct it, and solve the practice set number 4.1. Okay, thank you and have a good day.